Hello everyone, I am Shika. Today let's understand the IBAS framework. This framework stands for Innovation, Branding, Architecture, and Strategic Assets. Innovation refers to improvements in technology, processes, or products of the organization. Even small alterations like the changes in the size, shape, or packaging of the product can attract the customer's attention. Second come brandings. It refers to the efforts and the investments made by the company over a long period of time to build their visibility, trust, and reputation in the market. This is something that makes a company stand outside or different from its competitors in the market and demand the customer's loyalty. Third comes the architecture. It refers to the internal structures of the organization and its key relationship with its stakeholders, like which may be the suppliers, employees, customers, governments, or regulators. Strong relationship with them is necessary because it helps you to have a durable competitive advantage. Fourth, the last but not the least, is the strategic assets. It refers to those assets of the company which cannot be easily replicated by the competitors in the same industry. It can be tangible or intangible. Tangible assets be like the land or the machinery of the organization, whereas intangible assets include the license, agreements, contracts, or the goodwill of the company. Basically, this IBAS framework helps us to know that the great companies have a unique system which cannot be easily replicated by the competitors in the market. And this is something that is built over a long period of time. Thank you.